Yes, you can.
Sorry.
Now you have to kiss Daddy 3 times.
3 times.
Yeah, next time's going to be 6. You think it's funny. I want to kiss you.
Don't you pretend like you're kissing me.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Daddy.
Sorry, Daddy.
What are you doing?
I didn't know I was crashing. I was trying to.
Doesn't that thing have brakes?
Oh, only this part does.
I mean, you can make it stop by pushing your pedal back, can't you?
Like that.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay, I tried that. If I crash.